Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Canon PIXMA G2730 driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, open any browser. So once you're now on the browser, on the search bar, search for Canon PIXMA G2730 driver download. And then once you do that, just click on enter. And then in this part, what we're going to do right here is to just look for the Canon website, which is right here. So just look for this and then click this one. And then in this part, you will not be able to see the driver, which is right here. And then, of course, click the download button. After that, let's wait for this to finish. And then after that, what we're going to do right here is to just click the open file right here. And then we're going to drag this into our desktop. So drag this into our desktop and then go back into our desktop right here. And then once you're now here, just double click on this. And then in this part, let's wait for this to finish also. And then after that, you will not be able to see this folder. So after that, once you're now here, just go into the search bar and then search for printer. And then just click this printers and scanners. After opening printers and scanners, just click on add device. And then after that, just click on add a new device. We're going to click on add a local printer and then click on next again. And then for the existing port, just look for a USB port right here. So if you see any USB port, make sure that you select that. However, in my case, I don't have USB port. So I'm just going to click on null and then click on next. After that, in this part, we're going to click on the Canon since it is our manufacturer. And then we're going to click on have disk. After that, we're going to click on browse. And then in this part, we're going to go here on our desktop and then look for our file, which is right here. After that, click on driver file. And then in this part, just choose the driver that you prefer to download. So let's say, for example, that you want to use this. So we're going to double click on this part and then we're going to click on OK. After that, we're going to click on next. And then if you want to change the printer name, it's up to you. But I will just going to click on next. And then after that, all you have to do is to wait and then the printer will now be installed into your PC. So while we're waiting, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, just click on do not share this printer and then click on next and then click on finish. After that, if you look right here, you will not be able to see our driver. So that is basically it.